So if you're anything like me and sometimes you just don't have time right after the gym to go and make a meal or come all the way home, whether that's because you're going to uni or work or whatever it is, and there's a potential that there's going to be 4 or 5 hours before you eat right after a workout, give this a go. Just an easy, simple fix. So weigh out some Rice Krispies. I use 80 grams, but if you're cutting or like you're trying to lose weight, use maybe like 50. If you're bulking, use this to your advantage and put like 120 in, because who can't eat a big bowl of Rice Krispies? You know what I mean? Get the calories in. And then just weigh 40 grams of protein powder into a shaker. Try and get a good tasting one, but because it's going to be a lot nicer with the Rice Krispies. To help with that, I mean, that one is really nice to be fair, but this is completely not essential. I just add a wee bit of sweetener and a dash of cinnamon, because that combo is just banging. And I forgot to say, top tip, don't fill this up with water now. Just bring it like that with the powder in it to the gym. And if you've got a water fountain or a tap that you're able to use in the gym, fill up your water that you're drinking in the gym and pour it into this right before you eat your Rice Krispies, because it will be colder and nice. See, when you fill up the now, it goes all warm. Nah. That's me just at a solid workout and I need to go straight to uni. So you just pour in your water. Don't use too much, by the way. Like, I like up to about there. Then give it a shake. And then easy enough, pour into your Rice Krispies. Bosh. And scran it. The reason this is so good as well is because you've got your easily digesting carbs with your Rice Krispies, which will refill your glycogen stores that you've just worn out during your workout. And there's not much sugar in them either, which is ideal, because even though if there's ever a time you want sugar, it's after a workout. If you're looking to lower your total sugar throughout the day, it's good the fact that you get the benefit of the glycogen stores without needing the sugar. And they're just really good, to be honest.